Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable bold text feature on iPhone. In the first step, you have to tap on settings. Just open settings. Now scroll down and search for accessibility. Here we go. Open it. Then open display and text size. Now here you have to just turn on bold text feature. You can see the changes. Again, go to settings, go to accessibility, then open display and text size and turn off it. Once you turn on the bold text, you can also use these more features, and that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.